Hello, my name is Naya Little, and today I'm going to walk through my tactical map and explain the map that I created. On the map, I included graphic control measures, friendly and enemy positions, tactical mission tasks, sustainment, and hazards. I'm going to go step by step and explain each part and how it connects to the overall plan. I'll start with the control measures. First, I have the phase line, which helps control movement and track the progress of units across the battlefield. It basically separates areas and helps show how far units have moved. On the right side is Objective Bravo, which is the main objective. This is the key terrain that friendly forces are trying to move towards and secure. I place it on a higher terrain to show that it's important and it's in a defensible position. You can see the arrows across the map, which represents the axis of advance. These arrows show the direction friendly forces are moving as they push toward the objective. These control measures help organize the battlefield and make sure movement is coordinated. On the left side of the map, those are the friendly forces. I place them on higher terrain so they have a better position and observe and engage the enemy. Being on higher ground gives them an advantage in both visibility and range. You'll see multiple support by fire positions. These units are there to provide covering fire while other forces move forward. You'll also see an ABF position, which stands for attack by fire. This position is used to engage the enemy from distance using direct fire. So instead of all units moving at the same time, some stay back and provide fire support, which help make the movement forward safer and more controlled. On the right side of the map, the red diamonds represent enemy forces. I place them around Objective Bravo to show that they're defending the objective. With that being said, friendly forces will have to fight to secure it. The grouping of the enemy units also show where the strongest resistance is expected. This helps explain why friendly forces are positioned the way they are, because they need to be able to engage and overcome these enemy positions. The yellow shaded area is the engagement area, and it's labeled EA Titan. An engagement area is a place where friendly forces plan to engage and destroy the enemy. I placed it along a likely movement path, which helps focus the fight into one area instead of spreading it out. The enemy inside this area shows where the main engagement is expected to happen. By focusing the fight into this area, friendly forces can better coordinate their fire and movement, making it easier to control the situation and engage effectively. The support by fire and attack by fire positions show the fight is actually going to happen. The SBF units provide covering fire to suppress the enemy, which means they keep the enemy from moving or reacting effectively. At the same time, other forces move forward toward the objective. This coordination between fire and movement is important because it allows friendly forces to maintain pressure on the enemy while still advancing. At the bottom left, I included a medical unit. This represents sustainment support, specifically medical care and evacuation for injured personnel. It's placed in a safer area away from the main fight so that it can support operations without being directly exposed to danger. This is important because it helps ensure that forces can continue operating even if there are casualties. So overall, everything on the map works together. The control measures organize movement. The friendly forces are positioned to support each other, and the engagement area focuses where the fight happens. At the same time, the medical unit will provide support in the background to keep the operations going. All of this creates a coordinated plan to move forward, engage the enemy, and secure Objective Bravo.